Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make sardine bread filled with sardine. This is so delicious, and if you are a sardine lover, you definitely going to love this recipe. Serve as breakfast and it's so delicious. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in flour, grated nutmeg, salt, dry active yeast, and powdered milk. Mix these ingredients together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. I then created a well in the middle and then added in warm milk. And then the oil from the sardine. I used both the 2 cans because I used 2 cans of sardine. So I used the oil in it. Make sure you take out any liquid in it. After, I went ahead and added in salt. The first one that I mentioned was sugar. The last ingredient that I added was salt. I'll mix this to well combined until it forms a dough. So I'll add in the last liquid, which is the milk, and then knead this or bring it together until it forms a dough. Once it forms a dough, I'll knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes and then cover it with a cling film and set it aside until doubled in size. So the milk, I divided it into 2 equal parts. I added in first half, and then whilst everything was almost about together, I then added in the rest and then knead it until it formed a dough, just like so. I'll let it sit for at least 2 hours or until doubled in size. So once it's resting, we can go ahead for the filling. So for the filling, in a bowl, I added in the 2 cans of the sardine. Make sure you take out any liquid from it. I then added in chopped onion, red bell pepper, and chili flakes. I'll stir this or mash it with a fork until it's mashed, like it all comes together, just like so. Some chunks of sardine is okay, it's all it's good anyway. I'll set that aside too. After the dough has doubled in size, I'll take off the cling film, deflate the dough, and transfer it on my work surface. I'll then go ahead and make sure it's well leveled and then divide it into smaller pieces. So I divided mine into 9 equal parts depending on the size. This was around 70 to 80 grams. Bring one of them and roll it in the ball shape. Set it aside. When done, or after you've set it aside, make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. Bring one of them and then roll it. You shouldn't roll it that much, just it should be a little bit flat, and then like as demonstrated in the video, and then add in about a tablespoon of the filling. Pinch the edge together as seen in the video, and this is very simple, easy, and you are good to go. You can even close your eyes and make this process. It's very easy. I'll then cover it with a cling film again. Put it in the warm place to double in size before baking. Once it has doubled in size, I'll go ahead and brush on top with an egg wash and then bake these bad boys at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or for 20 to 25 minutes. So after 20 minutes, just look at this, guys. This turned out so delicious. It's yummicious. If you're a sardine lover, you definitely love this recipe because it has everything in it already. Bring your tea, your milk, and then you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing bread. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it wonderful? You have your sardine inside, the onion took it to the next level, and trust me, this is delicious. It's very nice. Try this and let me know in the comment section. The bread itself, just look at it. It's soft, it's light. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.